Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What? He's gonna hit you.
What's wrong with this dude?
Yeah, he has he's doing that on purpose with you. Just he's not a cop, is he? He has a red flashing lights, red and white. Red and
Yeah,
white.
well, that doesn't look like police.
Lad grazing it, and all I did was say to you, hey, hop in, have a seat, and I pointed at my nose. Like, that is crude and vulgar. I don't think it necessitated you, almost blinded me.
Jesus!
Yeah, some guy wanted to go on the phone. You're fine. Jesus Christ.
叫做嗰啲咩？叫咩五毒月啦，即係有突然間咧就係啊，
出晒嚟㗎，
跟住係咁中交，即係夏天咩交替咁樣，佢就啲嘢就出嚟啦。係咁樣呢個時候就要，所以你見到佢嗰個意義就係即係你過一啲將啲污糟邋遢嘢嚇走，都有呢個咁嘅意思喺上邊嘅。
係，都啱。
係啊，
明白。我可以God
bless Rex Ryan. That guy got more media coverage in his 3 years or 4 years with the fucking Jets than I think Chuck Noll got his entire career.
Out, they were going to take him when he was sitting there. When we did our mock draft for ESPN, Styles wasn't there. Definitely would have.
Bro, why are you going around me, bro?
Muscle tense. She again reached for his arm. The Cassian angled out of reach, not tearing his eyes from Nesta's blazing gaze.
Okay, Garmin.
You didn't come to. She stopped herself.
Okay, Garmin.
Keep me locked in, we should get brain on. Maybe it's your face, maybe it's a little less waist, maybe it's the way that you taste. Maybe how you talk, might be the way that you walk, take thighs with an ass on top. Give me a kiss, live match your watch, pinky ring for the way it rocks. Get it for a drop, everything fresh out the box.
Bro, why is he literally in the middle of the road?
What the frick? Did you see that?
What the
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.